Hello everybody, coming at you with all my might. It's Smite. This is my 1999 Yamaha Yz125. I have several people asking for a walk around. I haven't walked around or showed my bike. I haven't done one of these videos since I've gotten it, so I figured why not. Basically, my bike is it's a stock bike. Boss bearing. That's for my four-wheeler. I'll explain that later. That sticker. I just thought it would go pretty good on the two-stroke here. But yeah, it's pretty much stock. I mean, it is completely stock. I am the second owner of this bike, and it just runs awesome. I love it. It didn't run great at first. I did the first video of when I first got it. I had tons of people telling me I didn't know how to do anything, which I didn't. But apparently I was taking the kickstand and I had my foot up here and then hitting it, standing on it, but you're supposed to have your foot on it when you kick it. So I didn't know how to do that, and then I had people yelling at me for that. But yeah, I took it, and when we first got it, the carb needed cleaned. I made that video. I'll put it in the description, the first video that I'm talking about. When I did it, the carb wasn't cleaned, so it was dirt. It had a dirty carb. I cleaned that out and it runs fine now, but there were still little issues I was trying to work out. And let's see, the problem I had is it would break up mid-range. So I went online and I got a carb rebuild repair kit. It only cost me like 27 bucks. Put that thing in there and it runs fine. It's usually, I can start it up with one kick. I will demonstrate. I won't be able to hold the camera, but I'll start it up real quick here and let it idle for a little bit so you can hear it. Alright, all I did is I walked over there and I pulled the choke on. I'm gonna kickstart it here real quick. 1 second. Oh. It's not warmed up. It's not gonna. But yeah, it runs great. When it's warm, it idles better. But it doesn't want to idle because it's not totally warmed up. But there it is. My Yamaha Yz125, 1999. Thank you for watching. Click my four-wheeler to see the walk around of that. Subscribe. Have a nice day. God bless.